students, in this video we are going to discuss about a gross domestic product and its growth. What is a good? A good is something you can see and feel. It is something you can use. Goods are tangible in nature. Goods are physical in nature. We touch and feel. Services. What is services? Services is something done for someone else. Sometimes people are paid for their services. Sometimes they are not. Services are intangible in nature. Services are the heterogeneous. This is the picture relating goods and services. Goods all are homogeneous in nature, but services are the heterogeneous in nature. Goods are tangible, we touch, we feel. Services are intangible one. He was the economist Simon Huisner. He introduced the concept of gross domestic product in the year 1934. Gross domestic product. The gross domestic product is the market value of all final goods and services produced in the country during a time period, expressly a 1 year. Market value. This is the price at which goods and services are sold in the market. Final goods and services. Economists Tyler, Cowden and Alex Tabrock says that final goods and services are the goods and services which will be used or consumed and will not form a part of other goods and services. A food for you. So goods and services produced are called intermediate goods. Only the final goods are included in the GDP. The intermediate goods are not counted in calculating the GDP because their value is included in the final goods. Intermediate goods are included in the GDP. It will result in what is called double counting. For example, if tire manufacturing company, tire is the output. But in car manufacturing company, tire is an input. So we finally add all the intermediate goods. So we should avoid the double counting. National income. Definition. National income is the measure of the total value of goods and services produced by an economy over a period of time, normally a year. Commonly, national income is called as gross national product or national dividend. A country producing a goods and services that is in the money term for 1 year, we are calculating a national income. Basic concepts of measuring national income. GNP, gross national product, gross domestic product, net national product, net domestic product, per capita income, disposable income, and then personal income. First, discuss about a gross national product. Gross national product is the total value of goods and services produced and income received in a year by domestic resident. It is included a profit earned from capital invested abroad. So GNP is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M plus NFIA. So gross national product is nothing but what all we earn in our country and added for our foreign income also. This is nothing but GNP is equal to GDP plus net factor income from abroad. Gross domestic product. Gross domestic product is the total value of output of goods and services produced by the factors of production within the geographical boundaries of the country. So India and its geographical boundaries, we are using a land, labor, capital organization. We are producing a goods as well as we are giving a services that all included only in the gross domestic product. Net national product. A net national product is arrived from some adjustment with regard to depreciation. That is, we arrive through the net NNP or net national product by deducting the value of depreciation from gross national product. Depreciation means tear as well as wear of the quantum of the goods to be used. So NNP is derived from the GNP minus depreciation. NDP, net domestic product. Net domestic product we can derive through the gross domestic product again by adding the quantum of tear as well as a wear expenses, that is depreciation. For example, the egg transported from Namakkal to Madurai If we deduct your as well as your expenses, then we get a NDP. Per capita income. It's very, very important. The average income of the person of a country in a particular year is called as a per capita income. Per capita income is obtained by dividing national income by population. It shows the living standard of the people in a country. So what is the formula? Per capita income is equal to national income divided by population. In India, per capita income in 1867 to 68, for the first time, Dadabhai Navroji had ascertained the per capita income in his book Poverty and Un-British Rule of India. Personal income. The person, what are all the ways he is getting an income, that is called as a personal income. The personal income is the total money income received by individuals and a household of a country from all possible sources before direct tax. Therefore, personal income can be expressed as follows. Personal income is equal to national income, corporate income taxes minus undistributed corporate profit minus social security contribution plus transfer payments. Transfer payments is nothing but the pension as well as some of the allowances that is provided on the basis of their work. Disposable income. We paid taxes, direct taxes, what we are having, that is called as a disposable income. Disposable income means actual income which can be spent on consumption by individuals and families. From consumption approach, disposable income is equal to consumption expenditure plus saving. Gross domestic product. So we are all the consumer, we consume some of the goods. So some of the industries, they are producing goods, we borrow the goods and then we are giving some of the services to that particular industry. Then we go to the market and purchase the goods. The government impose taxes for the person as well as the industries. And some of them it's to be a saving, and the surplus goods it's moving to the worldwide. That is through the net factor income from abroad. So that's we call it as C plus I plus G plus X minus M. Again, X minus M is also called it as a net export. Net export. C, consumption expenditure, that is based upon the home. I, that is based upon the industry. G, governments putting some of the taxes for both, as well as sometimes they are providing some of the subsidies. X minus M, export minus import. Thank you.